Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be doing the Gemini nails. If you don't know it, if you're new to the channel, I am doing a zodiac series. I've already done Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, and Taurus. So if you're interested, go and check out those videos. But in today's video, design wise, we're doing a yellow and nude set. So yeah, I did try some new designs today, which you will see later on in the video. But happy birthday to all the Geminis out there, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with the gel polish. For the ombre, whenever you want to use gel polish for an ombre with acrylic, put the gel polish underneath first, cure it, and then go on top with the nude acrylic near the cuticle area and blend it. And as usual, I will have all the products linked in the description if you're interested. So as you can see from my phone in the left corner, I am watching a YouTube video. While I'm making the nails, I'm always like watching something, whether it's a TV show, a YouTube video, or I'm usually on the phone with my sister. So now I'm going in with the nude acrylic, and I'm just placing the bead where I want it to be. So for this nail, it's going to be an ombre. So I'm just trying to feather it out at the end, take out any little like lint and anything like that that's in the nail, and even glitter. I had some glitter stuck in there too. So yeah, I'm just doing that, patting it, fixing up the shape. So for this design, I used dental floss, and I just pushed it down into the acrylic. Make sure the acrylic is wet when you're doing it, so you don't want it to be dry, obviously, because it won't do anything. So you don't want it to be cured yet. You still want it to be wet and mushy.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera, tú eres la mujer.
So for the line work, I was unfortunately out of frame. I do apologize for that, but just bear with me.
Somos Adán y Eva, y estoy listo pa' tomar el castigo. Yeah. Y todo lo prohibido, y las pecados que tú y yo hemos cometido. Hacen por ahí tose todas esas poses que tú conoces. Gracias a mi mujer, ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, pasita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde sea. Eres perfecta mujer.
So I mixed up the yellow with some white gel polish that I had. And so now I'm just going to create like some swirly lines with this color, and then with some glitter that I also have. I don't remember where I got the glitter from. And then for this nail, I attempted to do the crocodile skin nails and put the glitter on top of it too. So instead of putting clear acrylic, I put the yellow glitter on top. And I liked how it came out. So we're pretty much at the end of the video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you like my designs, consider subscribing. And if you want to share some love or any tips or anything like that, you can always comment down below. And this set took me about an hour and a half to do. And in a few seconds, you will see the final reveal shots.